Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Without further ado, let's welcome the Chief Minister of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Honorable Abdul Rauf Makakua.
Salamat. Saka pwede na pa kayong mag-upo. Salamat sa mga Master of Ceremonies natin ngayon na napakagaling sila mag-handle ng program. Kaya lang po may problema tayo sa rostrum kasi medyo mataas. Nahirapan kanina si Minister. To the host of this program, the President of the CSU, Professor Sema A. Dilna, napag-usapan po namin kanina na magpagawa kami ng program of works or proposal para pagandahin natin yung gym na ito. To the Minister of Science and Technology, noon, ang tawag ko sa Minister of Science and Technology is Ministry of Sayang and Technology. Yeah. So with the advent of this program, it's no longer sayang. It's really a science and technology. To the considered daughter, the Minister of MTIT, because ang father niya classmate namin sa 300. Mista yung father niya. And also his father-in-law is Mista ni rin namin. Si Persirina E. Muhammad na minister siya ng MTIT. To other guests who are here today, the representative of Darul Ifta, Sheikh Abdul Kahar M. Musa, from the DOST Pagasa with their service chief Anyanita Airportix, Madam. The other who are here today, the Professor Dr. Abdul Rafiq Saleh, Malaysia Standard for Halal Consultant. Terima kasih. To all of us here today, yung lahat-lahat na sila nakaupo dito, tsaka the most is kayo, nandito lahat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To our esteemed guests from national government, as I mentioned a while ago, our partners from the academy, our fellow public servant in bar, our scientists, sana magkatotoo nito, the inventors, the innovators, the faculty members, and most especially our students and youth. Sinisikap namin kanina maging bata, pero hanggang parang bata lang. Hindi na kayang maging bata. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. And again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For decades, we struggled to liberate ourselves from the marshes to the hills to the plains, not just to survive, but to reclaim our rights to live with dignity and purpose. Our theme, sustaining growth through halal, science, technology, and innovation, is not just timely. It is a blueprint of our next chapter as a people. Because the truth is, Bangsamoro has always been brilliant. But for so long, that brilliance was hidden beneath conflict, poverty, and struggle. The Bangsamoro story is not an ordinary story. It is a journey of faith, sacrifice, and resilience. We have struggled for decades, from the marshes to the hills, from the hills to the plains. We have shed tears, blood, and sweat in the fight for self-determination. Pawis, dugo, ang puhunan, just to have this self-determination that we are now enjoying. And now, we face a different kinds of struggle. Iba ngayon ang struggle natin. A struggle that one demands not courage of art, but courage of wisdom. Ang struggle natin ito is hindi ito struggle noon na gumagamit ka ng dahas, baril, o ano man dyan. Our struggle, kailangan may lakas loob kang mag-imbento. Vision ang sinasabi. Now, our battle is now to sustain the gains of peace process. Isa pa ito sa struggle natin. Paano natin masustain ang peace process na nangyayari sa atin ngayon? How do we ensure the sacrifices of Mujahideen and leaders will not be forgotten, but to transform into legacy of progress, innovation, and lasting prosperity? Paano natin gawin yon na hindi magiging makalimutan, hindi natin makalimutan yung mga sakripisyo ng mga Mujahideen natin? This is where science, technology, and innovation enter. Because in the past was born through bravery. The future will be built through knowledge. Katapangan ang kailangan natin noon. Pero ngayon, hindi na po kailangan yon. Katapangan, paano natin ma-achieve yung knowledge na kailangan nating ma-serve yung tao natin noon na ginagawa nila ang lahat ng sakripisyo para makuha natin ang ngayon na tinatamasa nating kapayapaan. Under the banner of moral governance, we are called to build a government that is not only sufficient, but righteous. A leadership that does not only serve, but inspires. And within the moral compass, science and technologies are not contradiction. They are complements. Because we guided by faith, knowledge become a tool of empowerment, not exploitation. We must ask ourselves, paano natin mapataas ang antas ng ating pamumuhay? Hindi yung nabubuhay lang tayo sa ayuda. The goal is not to survive, but to succeed. Hindi dapat mabuhay lang na habag ng iba. Kailangan tayo mismo ang bumuo ng kinabukasan natin. This is the true meaning of autonomy. It is not just the political, it is intellectual, economic, and moral. We are now free to create, to invent, to innovate, and to uplift our people. That is why I challenge each of you to use the gift of knowledge for yourself, for your family, and for the Bangsamoro people. Remember, we earned our autonomy because we have proven that the Bangsamoro can lead with integrity, intelligence, and compassion. Now is the time to show the world that we can also invent our own future. Kung dati, nakikilala tayo sa galing sa pakikibaka, ngayon ipakita natin ang galing natin sa agham, teknolohiya, at innovation. Kung hindi, sandata natin ay tapang ngayon. Sandata natin ay tapang ngayon, sandata natin ang karunungan natin. So ngayon, ang kailangan is use knowledge, is mabuo natin para sa ating ikakaunlad. Kung dati, nakikilaban tayo para sa mabuhay ngayon, lumaban tayo para sa umunlad, the Bangsamoro people are intelligent and capable. We have engineers who can build, scientists who can discover, and young innovators who can transform our region. We must nurture them, empower them, because in their minds lies the continuation of our struggle for genuine progress. Through halal industry, we open the doors to ethical and sustainable livelihoods. Through science and research, we strengthen our local industries and protect our environment. Through technology, we connect our communities, empower our youth, and prepare them for a global future. This is the path towards becoming a self-reliant Bangsamoro, one that no longer depends solely on external aid, but stands proudly on its own capacity, guided by faith, by wisdom, and innovation. To our youth, the future scientists, inventors, and leaders of the Bangsamoro, I say this: your hands hold the next chapter of history. You are not just inheritors of peace, you are builders of progress. Let your curiosity become courage, and your ideas become empathy. And to our partners from the national government, the academy, and the private sector, thank you for working with us. Together, we are providing that peace is not the end of journey. It is the beginning of a greater mission. Let us remember our destiny as Bangsamoro is no longer written in the sound of conflict, but in the voice of discovery, innovation, and invention. Hindi na po napakinggan ang lahat ng ginagawa natin through baril o di kaya kung anumang sound dyan, sound of conflict, but dito na tayo pakinggan ng mundo through our discovery, inventions, and innovations. May Allah continue to bless our journey, that as we sustain peace, we also sustain growth. And as we nurtured invention, we also nurtured peace. Let us build Bangsamoro, the science, not only in the courage, but in the creativity, but not only in faith, but in the future. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum Assalam. That was our Honorable Chief Minister Abdul Rauf A. Maghagwa. So sabi nga ni Chief Minister, tayo mismo ang gagawa ng kinabukasan natin. Alright, so once again, thank you so much to our dear Chief Minister for unwavering vision and faith in the potential of science for peace and development.